This is the table we've been working on for a long time. Ain't she pretty? Today I'm going to show you the very last step before a project leaves my shop and gets to its final destination home. The last thing I do with every piece that goes out of my shop is I like to give it a final rub down just to make sure there's no fuzzies or no debris sticking up in it, no small pieces of sawdust, what have you. And this is what I use. I like to use 3000 grit sandpaper. It's super, super fine. And the cool thing about it is it'll take off those little high spots and it won't leave any scratch marks in it. I normally take it and fold it over like this. And I always do it by hand. I don't use a random orbit disc for this. All through the grits, whether it's 80, 120, 180, all up through the line, I've done with a random orbit disc. This is final, just hand touch on the whole thing. And it's just, it is such a light pressure that the pressure I'm using is just enough to keep the sandpaper under my hand versus if I have it too light, my hand will slip off of it. And all I'm looking to do is go with the grain. Not that it matters a lick because it doesn't take anything off, but just the peaks of those little microfiber pieces of fuzz that'll get on it. And you'll just feel those a little bit until you sand this off and just go over it real super, super light. Go over the whole thing. Take it off nice and easy. Like I said, I don't use a random orbit because that's too aggressive. This is just that final little buffing phase. And if you run your hand over your piece before you do it, you can feel just little pieces of dust or whatever that might have settled in to the finish. And you just touch those off and it cleans it off. It gives it that silky, smooth final touch to it. Go over the whole thing, like I said, just ever so slightly and lightly to give it that last, just a little bit of a buff. It doesn't take much at all. And quite frankly, if this has been used a number of times, it gets a little wore out, it even works better. So take it on there nice and light. I'll go over the whole thing. I'll feel it with my hand to make sure there's nothing been left behind. And that is absolutely silky smooth when I've done that. So it's the final thing. When you put the finish on, whether it's a water-based poly, or in this case, this has got Catalyzed lacquer sprayed on it as a final finish. So it's super durable, which is, of course, what we want, being that this is going to be a used table to eat at and enjoy in the kitchen. I want something super durable, but I also wanted something that's going to let the grain come through and actually see the wood. So it doesn't have a whole lot of shine to it. It's what's called a dull finish, a dull lacquer, and it shows the wood. You can see the wood, not the shine. Just run it across there. Go over the whole thing, every bit of it, anything that might be touched or in contact with the hand, just go over it. And again, I'm going super, super light just to clean it off. And oftentimes I'll take something so simple as a paper towel to clean up any dust that might come off of it and all. But 3000 grit, 3M sandpaper works fantastic. A light touch on it to take the last little bit of any fuzzes or fibers that stick up on it and all, and it'll give you that absolutely silky smooth finish on there. Make sure that your finish is dried real good. This has got 2 days worth of cure time on it before I did the sanding, and also there's no chance of marring that finish. It doesn't leave sanding marks. It's the way to go. It's the last step before making somebody real happy with the table that they're going to put into their home. They're going to have it. It's going to be an heirloom piece of furniture in a beautiful new home.